Okay, I'm going to show you how to answer the part 1 of reassessment. So without further ado, we'll start. For number 1, what is the next term in the geometric sequence for negative 12 and 36? So first, all we need to do is to simply solve for r. So r is equal to a sub 2 over a sub 1. So remember that this is the a sub 1, a sub 2, and a sub 3. So we can also use a sub 3 divided by a sub 2, but this time we will use a sub 2 over a sub 1. So a sub 2 is equal to negative 12. So replace a sub 2 with negative 12, and then replace a sub 1 with positive 4. So negative 2 over 4 is equal to negative 3 because both are divisible by 4. So now that we know that the ratio is negative 3, we can easily solve the next term. So 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Negative 12 times negative 3 is positive 36. Positive 36 times negative 3 is negative 108. So the correct answer is letter D. Okay, how about number 2? Find the common difference of the arithmetic sequence. 3 over 4, 13 over 4, 7 over 2, and 15 over 4. So technically, it will be the common difference is equal to a sub 2 minus a sub 1. You can also have a sub 3 minus a sub 2 or a sub 4 minus a sub 3. It will still show the same value of answer. So we have d is equal to, the a sub 2 is 13 over 4. So 13 over 4. Then minus a sub 1, which is 3. So the LCD would be 4. So 4 divided by 4, 1. 1 times 13 is 13. 4 times 3 is 12. Then copy the minus sign. So 13 minus 12 is 1 over 4. So the D is equal to 1 over 4, and that is letter A. So the common difference is 1 over 4. Okay, let's have another example. Let's try to solve number 3. Which set of numbers is an example of a harmonic sequence? Technically, A and B are both wrong. It's because it shows positive, negative, positive, negative. It's obviously a potential geometric sequence. So it's out of choice. Let us mark this one as a wrong option or wrong choice, or a wrong answer. Wrong answer. Okay, for letter C, let's try if it's harmonic. We know that a sequence is harmonic if the reciprocal of the terms will become an arithmetic sequence. So for C, it would become, the 1 over 3 becomes 3 over 1, then 9 over 1, the 7 over 1, and 81 over 1, and this one becomes 3 is equal to 3 over 1 is equal to 3, 9 over 1 is equal to 9. So 9 minus 3 is 6, 27 minus 9 is 18. So that is not this is a geometric sequence when reciprocate. Therefore this letter C is also not a correct answer. So basically it leads us to letter D, but let's check if it is really the correct answer. So all we need to do is to simply have it reverse. So 2 becomes, is like 2 over 1, it becomes 1 over 2. 2 over 3 becomes 3 over 2. 2 over 5 becomes 5 over 2. 2 over 7 becomes 7 over 2. So we have a sub 2 minus a sub 1. So since this is a similar fraction, we can simply have 3 minus 1, 2 over 2. 5 minus 3, 2 over 2, since they are similar fraction. 7 minus 5, 2 over 2. And remember that 2 over 2 is equal to 1. Equalness is 1. So, since they have the same difference, therefore, this one is a is an arithmetic sequence, which means that letter D is the harmonic sequence because the reciprocal of this one is an arithmetic sequence. Number 4, what is the sum of all the odd integers between 8 and 26? So we have, what are the odd integers between 8 and 26? So we can do the manual, and also we can use this one, for example 26. So odd integers, it means 26 divided by 2 because it's either odd or even. The answer would be technically 13. So there are 13 odd numbers, and since it starts with number 9, we have 9, 11, 13 up to 23, up to that 26. We could just, then we just have to subtract the first odd numbers before 9, 1, 3, 5, and 7, which is a total of 4. So since there are 13 odd numbers from 1 to 26 minus 4, so 13 minus 4 is 9. So again, we will check if it is really 9. We have 9, we have 11, 13, 15, 17, we have 19, 21, 23, 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 9. So we know that n is equal to 9. So we can now solve using the formula S sub n is equal to n over 2 times 2a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times d. So S sub 9 is equal to 9 over 2 times 2. The a sub 1 is 9 because the first odd number from 8 is 9. Between 8 and 26 is 9. Plus 9 minus 1 times the difference is 2 because after 9 it would be 11. After 11 it is 13, so the difference is 2. So S sub 9 is equal to 9 over 2 times 18 plus 8 times 2. So 8 times 2, I'll just make a shortcut. 8 times 2 is 16. So S sub 9 is equal to 9 over 2 times 18 plus 16 is 34. So 34 divided by 2 is 17. 17 times 9, 17 times 10 is 170 minus 117. Isa ka 17. So that would be 153. So S sub 9 is equal to 153. That is 34 divided by 2 and multiplied by 9. Multiplied by 9. So the answer is 153. And that is letter A. Okay. We'll proceed with number 5. If 3 arithmetic means are inserted between 11 and 39, find the second arithmetic mean. So what I'm going to show you is the shortcut. You can also have the non-shortcut, but it will, since this is just a multiple choice, we will use the shortcut. So we have 11, blank, 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 and 39. So 39 minus 11, is 28. Then count the number of spaces from 39 to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. So divide 28 by 4. The answer is 7. And 7 should be D. D is equal to 7. So 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 plus 7 is 25. 25 plus 7 is 32. 32 plus 7 is 29. But we're looking for the second arithmetic mean. And the second arithmetic mean is 25, because this one is the first arithmetic mean, this one is the third arithmetic mean. This is the second term and this is the second arithmetic mean, so don't get confused by that. So this is the final answer, 25. So number 5 is letter B, because this is the second arithmetic mean. Okay. Number 6, if 3 geometric means are inserted between 1 and 256, find the third geometric mean. So it would be, we'll just have the we'll just use the shortcut 1, then 3 geometric means and 256. So it would be, the shortcut would be this one, a sub 5 divided by a sub 1, or the last term given divided by a sub 1. So 256 divided by 1 is still 256. Then count the number of space from a sub 5 to a sub 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you cube root this one. Fourth root, because it's 4 spaces. So it would basically be fourth root of 256. You'll know that the answer is positive, negative 4. But as for this problem, we'll consider only positive 4. Then we will replace, find the third geometric mean. So 1 times 4, 4. 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4, 64. And we are looking for the third geometric mean. So the third geometric mean is 64. This one is the first, this one is the second. So the correct answer is letter A. Okay. Number 7. What is the next term in the harmonic sequence? So all we need to do is to just reciprocate this term. So it becomes 11 over 1, 15 over 1, 19 over 1, and 23 over 1, this one. Then 11 over 1 is just equal to 11, 15 over 1 is equal to 15, 19 over 1 is equal to 19, 23 over 1 is equal to 23. So 15, we have to make sure that this is an arithmetic sequence. 15 minus 11 is 4, 19 minus 15 is 4, 23 minus 19 is 4. Therefore this one is an arithmetic sequence. So it's guaranteed that this is an harmonic sequence. But the question is, what is the next term? So we just add 23 by 4, and that is 27. Then once again, the 27 should be reciprocated. So the reciprocal of 27, or 27 over 1, is 1 over 27. And the answer for number 7 is letter D, 1 over 27.